Good morning, all. My name is Aryan Suraj More from grade 5. I am going to tell today's day and date. The day is Monday. The date is 1st September 2025. Thank you. Good morning, all. This is Piyush Mokashi from grade 5. Every Monday we observe a motivational Monday. So, behalf of it, I would like to share a thought. The thought is good nutrition creates health in all areas of our existence. All parts are interconnected. Thank you.
Good morning, all. This is Tashvi Tate from grade 5.
My name is Shrisha from grade 5.
My name is Meheka from grade 5.
This is Siddhi Raskar from grade 5. We are going to tell importance of the day. Today onwards till 7 September, this entire week is observed as National Nutritional Week. Nutrition means eating healthy food. It helps our body grow, stay strong, and fight diseases.
National Nutrition Week is celebrated from September 1st to 7th every year in India, started by the Government of India 1892 to make people aware about healthy eating.
A balanced diet is which has the meal, fruits, vegetables, and pulses, water.
Some healthy eating tips for students. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Eat on time. Drink lots of water. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send message that avoid junk food, sugary drinks and fried food. Drink plenty of water every day.
Eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein. Good nutrition helps you grow, learn, and stay active.
Fuel your body with the right fruit.
Stay fit, stay sharp. Thank you.